Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Elite Economizer, your destination for valuable financial insights. Today, we're diving deep into the world of money habits, exploring how adopting the right practices can pave the way to financial success. You've undoubtedly heard of Warren Buffett, one of the world's wealthiest individuals and the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, but what truly sets him apart isn't just his staggering net worth of $98.2 billion. It's his frugal habits and astute financial mindset. Join us as we uncover the secrets that have allowed Mr. Buffett to amass his wealth in record time. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications to stay updated on our latest videos. We're here to help you take control of your financial future. Now let's jump right into it. Money doesn't magically appear when you get your first job. To secure your financial future, you need good money habits. Without them, not only will your bank account remain empty, but your life will be filled with stress, anxiety, and desperation every time you check your balance. 1. Not forming a healthy money habit. Our journey begins with the most fundamental habit, forming a healthy relationship with money. If you're undisciplined with your spending and lack a budget, it's all too easy to overspend and spiral into debt. It's crucial to invest your money wisely and not merely stash it away or keep it in cash. Warren Buffett emphasizes the importance of investing in quality companies with competitive edge and reinvesting earnings into the business. As he aptly put it, the chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. Start developing good money habits now, and you'll be building your wealth instead of just watching others get richer. 2. Not having a budget. Moving on to the second habit that can keep you from financial prosperity, not having a budget. Without a budget, your hard-earned money can slip through your fingers unnoticed. You may overspend on things you don't even need, like eating out excessively or buying unnecessary items on impulse. Remember, just because something is on sale doesn't mean you have to buy it. To gain control over your finances, start tracking your spending and create a budget. This simple act will help you make more informed decisions with your money. 3. Lack of emergency savings. Mr. Buffett once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." One key reason people struggle financially is the absence of emergency savings. Life is unpredictable, and without a financial safety net, you risk falling into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Start building an emergency fund, aiming for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This cushion will provide peace of mind and financial stability when life takes an unexpected turn. 4. Keeping up with the Joneses. It's all too common to try to keep up with friends and neighbors, but this can lead to overspending and financial stress. To achieve financial success, focus on your own goals, not what others have. The Joneses may appear well off, but appearances can be deceiving. Often, they too are living paycheck to paycheck. 5. Not tracking your spending. Our fifth habit is not tracking your spending. Being unaware of where your money goes can lead to financial disaster. Buffett recommends using a simple ledger to record every expense, ensuring you're always aware of your financial situation. While it may seem tedious, tracking your spending is essential to take control of your finances. It's the first step toward making positive changes. 6. Making impulse purchases. Impulse purchases are a major financial pitfall. We've all been there, buying something on a whim without thinking it through. These purchases, driven by emotions like excitement or happiness, can quickly drain your finances. To avoid impulsive spending, make a list before shopping, set a budget, avoid emotional shopping, and take your time making purchase decisions. Your wallet will thank you in the long run. 7. Not diversifying. Warren Buffett once described diversification as protection against ignorance. Without diversifying your investments, you're taking on unnecessary risk. Spreading your investments across different assets and industries helps mitigate potential losses and enhances your financial stability. 8. Lacking a financial plan. Shockingly, most people don't have a written financial plan. Without one, it's easy to make poor financial decisions, and be unprepared for life's unexpected events. Start by setting clear financial goals, creating a budget, and tracking your progress. If needed, consider working with a financial planner to help you develop a plan tailored to your circumstances. 9. Paying lots of taxes. Paying taxes is essential, but overpaying isn't. There are strategies to optimize your tax situation. Explore tax-advantaged accounts, itemize deductions, take advantage of tax credits, and, when necessary, negotiate payment plans with the IRS. 10. Inflating your lifestyle. As your income increases, resist the urge to match it with increased spending. Instead, adopt the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income for necessities, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. By avoiding these 10 habits, you'll pave the way for a brighter financial future. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, it's about how you manage it. As Dolly J from Millionaire Mind says, now is an excellent time for personal reflection. Think about your goals and create a new one inspired by Warren's advice. 11. Neglecting financial education. A crucial habit to avoid on your journey to financial success is neglecting financial education. Warren Buffett is a voracious reader and a firm believer in the power of knowledge. To build wealth, it's essential to continually educate yourself about financial markets, investment strategies, and personal finance. Consider reading books on finance, attending seminars, or even taking online courses. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions and navigate the complexities of the financial world. 12. Not seeking professional advice when needed. Another common mistake is failing to seek professional financial advice when necessary. Buffett himself has a team of financial experts to help him make investment decisions. While not all of us have the resources for a full-fledged financial team, consulting with a financial advisor can provide invaluable insights tailored to your specific situation. Whether you're planning for retirement, managing a large inheritance, or facing complex tax matters, a financial advisor can offer guidance to optimize your financial path. 13. Ignoring long-term goals. Many people focus too much on short-term gains and lose sight of their long-term financial goals. Warren Buffett's success is rooted in his long-term investment perspective. He buys and holds quality stocks for years, allowing them to compound over time. To emulate this approach, set clear long-term financial goals such as retirement or saving for your children's education. Develop an investment strategy aligned with these goals and stay committed to your plan, even when short-term market fluctuations occur. 14. Neglecting health and well-being. Neglecting your health and well-being is a financial mistake that often goes unnoticed. Medical expenses can be a significant financial burden, and poor health can limit your earning potential. It's essential to invest in your physical and mental well-being by maintaining a balanced lifestyle, exercising regularly, and managing stress. By prioritizing your health, you can reduce the risk of costly medical bills and ensure you're in optimal shape to pursue your financial goals. 15. Failing to reevaluate and adjust. Lastly, failing to periodically reevaluate and adjust your financial plan is a habit that can hinder your financial progress. The financial landscape evolves and your goals and circumstances may change over time. It's essential to review your financial plan regularly and make necessary adjustments. Whether it's rebalancing your investment portfolio, increasing your savings rate, or modifying your budget, staying flexible and responsive to change is key to maintaining financial success. In conclusion, adopting these additional 5 habits, prioritizing financial education, seeking professional advice when needed, focusing on long-term goals, prioritizing health and well-being, and staying flexible in your financial plan will further solidify your path to financial prosperity. Remember, the road to financial success is a journey that requires commitment, discipline, and continuous learning. By avoiding these 15 money habits, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals and securing a brighter future for yourself and your family. Before we sign off, please take a moment to hit the like button if you found this video informative and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on personal finance and wealth building strategies.